This is for the square root of a rational perfect square. To do this, we're going to need to use a rule we learned before, where if we have a fraction inside of a square root and that square root has an exponent on it, the exponent goes in to each part of the fraction. So x over y all squared is the same thing as x squared over y squared. So that same thing happens to the radical here. So we have the square root of 81 over 36. Well, we can take the square root and put that on each part. So it becomes the square root of 81 over the square root of 36. The square root of 81 is, of course, 9, when the square root of 36 is 6. Now we can further simplify. 9 over 6 becomes 3 over 2 for our final answer. Now, if we'll go ahead and clear that and do another one, sometimes we need to simplify before. So here, the square root of 32 over 50, well, this is going to need to be simplified because neither of those are perfect squares. However, both of those are multiples of 2, so if I take my square root of 32 over 50 and divide both parts by 2, I get the square root of 16 over 25. Now, I've got perfect squares on top and bottom, so I can split up my radical. Square root of 16 over square root 25. Square root of 16 is, of course, 4, while square root of 25 is 5, and 4 over 5 is my answer.